Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this fourth day of February 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today. So the setup is we look for our strong candle indicator, which is down the bottom of this green candle, a little little pyramid pointing, triangle pointing upwards, saying to go ahead and trade this long. And then once we know what the trade is, we look over at the PVI. And again, the market was outrageously active today. We expect the next candle to be around 180 ticks in length. Now, I can't use a proper ATM because we're only allowed on this particular station to show so much profit on any particular trade. So we're going to use our 20s, 50s, and 100 ATM, which is just fine. We'll just wait for a bit of a retrace, throw our order on the body of the candle, and then go from there. So this is what it looked like in the room today. We start off at market speed, and that was a really quick retrace. I think we're going to do one more. There we go. Oh, didn't pick me up. We'll wait till it comes back down and grab. There we go. Okay, so put our stop where it belongs. Two candles behind are the last major failure point. It's a lot of risk, but we have a lot of candles. So we'll see. We're going to de-risk the trade once we get to our first target. Now that we've got all our targets set, we can go ahead and speed it up a little bit. And here we go. Boom, first target, first two targets are out. And you can see it's not taking long. That particular trade took about 90 seconds to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make $970 in 90 seconds, come join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. The only place you'll be able to find some really unique indicators like this strong candle indicator. It's amazing how it helps even the most beginners to trade well. So we look forward to seeing you next time. So God bless you, and we'll see you then.